Do you want to learn English even while you sleep? Yes, you can improve your English even at night by simple method. But there is a right way and a wrong way. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Speak with Indu. How are you all guys? I hope you all are good and learning English every day and improving. Today I will show you how to use night time to improve your English. First, understand this. You cannot learn English only by sleeping. But you can train your brain by listening before and during sleep. One learner used to watch videos only, but he didn't revise. So he forgot everything. Then he started listening at night and slowly he started remembering fast. So this methods work if you use it correctly. Before sleeping, listen simple English video. For example, I am sleeping, I am learning, I am improving. Listen to 10 to 15 minutes daily. Play low volume English audio while sleeping. Your brain keep listening. Morning में repeat करो what you listened at night. For example, I am speaking, I am learning English, I am improving. Do this every day. Night plus day practice is equals to best result. Means in the night you have to listen in simple English videos and repeat again and again, and then in the morning you have to practice. Repeat with me. You repeat. I am confident, I am speaking English, I am learning, I am practicing. So what you have to become fluent in English? First, you have to listen. Listen simple videos, simple daily uses sentences, and yes, repeat again and again. There was a girl, she watched every day simple English videos and she repeated again and again. After few days, she started speaking. Yes, not perfect, but she started speaking. She became confident. So, what do you learn? Just you have to listen English, simple English videos and repeat again and again. Listen English podcast, English movies, English songs. Yes, you are beginner now, so you have to listen English cartoon. English cartoon is also interesting, and you also and simple English also used in that. So you just watch English cartoons. You can also watch English story and just try to copy pronunciation. Try to copy the way they speak and try to repeat again and again. Speak every day. There was a girl, she understood English. She watched many videos, but she never spoke. So she never improved. But there was a boy, he started speaking every day, even broken English. His English is not perfect, but also he started speaking every day. After few days, he became confident and he started speaking. So you also have to speak every day. Don't skip any single day. If you want to speak English, so you have to speak every day. Don't skip any single day. Yes, speak just for you are beginner, so just you can speak just for 2 to 3 minutes but daily. And yes, you have to increase your time, like you start speaking 10 to 15 minutes every day, but speak every day. Don't skip any single day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. There was a boy who understood English, who watched many videos, but he didn't spoke because he felt, he thought, my English is weak. He is shy to speak. When he tried to speak, he got stuck. He thought, if I made mistakes, so what others people thought about me? What others, if they laugh at me, they mock at me? Because of these thoughts, they never spoke. So he never improved. But there was a girl. She started speaking every day. Even she makes mistake. Even others laughed at her in the beginning, but she never stopped. She continued speaking, even broken English, but she speaking every day. So after some times she started speaking very confidently, and others will started to praise her. So that boy also think that yes, English is not my real problem. The real problem is that I am not speaking every day. I am not practicing every day. So from that time he realized his mistake and he started speaking every day. Even he is making mistakes, even his English is not perfect, but he started speaking every day. After some times he also started speaking confidently. So you also have to speak every day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, because mistake is the part of learning. Every person makes mistakes. Even successful person make mistakes. They failed 1,000 times, but they never stopped. They continued. They learned from his mistakes. They learned from her mistakes and move ahead. That's why they become successful. If you want to speak English, then you have to make mistakes. You have to learn from your mistakes and just move ahead. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, because even native speakers make mistakes. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Just speak every day, even broken English. There is no big deal of making mistakes. Okay? Then you have to practice every day in front of the mirror. Practice every day. There was a girl, she understood English, she watched videos, but she never practiced. So she never improved. But there is a girl, she listened English videos also. She started speaking daily also. And she started practicing every day. Even she is alone. She started speaking in front of the mirror. At first, it felt strange, but she never stopped. She continued. She started practicing every day in front of the mirror. Yes, just for 5 to 10 minutes. So there is no big deal. Yes, you have to just practice every day. And then after some times, then she started speaking confidently, because if you practice every day, then confidence automatically came in you. So practice every day, even you are alone. And R is not very important. Consistency is very important. So maintain your consistency and start speaking every day. Start practicing every day. Stop translating in your mind. Start thinking in your mind. There is a girl. She used to translate everything from native language to English, from Hindi to English. Then her speaking is slow because of translating. And there is a boy who used to think everything in English directly. So his speaking is also faster. So you also have to just think in English directly. Whatever you saw, just think in English. Like I'm going, I'm eating, I'm bathing, I am brushing, etc. For example, you saw lion, then you have to speak, then you have to think directly lion instead of share. Okay, so you just think in your mind, don't translate. Then you also become fluent, because when you translate it takes time, and that's why you are not becoming fluent in English, that's why you are not able to speak. So stop translating in your mind, start thinking in your mind. Repeat after me. I'm thinking, I'm not translating, I'm becoming faster, I'm improving. Beliefs in yourself. Don't be compared to yourself with others, because everyone's conditions, everyone's atmosphere is different. So don't be compared to yourself with others. Just practice every day, makes mistakes and improve from your mistakes. And you have to compare with yourself, not to others. So you have to just practice every day, even for 5 to 10 minutes, and improve from your mistakes and move ahead. That's it. You are unique and you are the best. So don't be compared to others. Just speak every day. Consistency is the key to success. There is a boy, sometimes he practice for 2 to 3 hours at a week, and others they skip. But there is a girl, she speaks every day. She practice every day. She listen every day, at least for 10 to 15 minutes every day. You guess who started speaking faster? Yes, girls, because she practicing every day, just for 10 to 15 minutes, but every day. Because hours not important, consistency importance. So practice every day. Consistency is the key to success. So maintain your consistency, maintain your discipline. Without discipline, you can't be achieve anything. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. I hope this video will really help you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comments. And if you have any suggestion, any ideas related to our channel, related to English, then write in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep speaking, keep learning, keep improving. Thank you so much.